Now, esports, how I imagine it is it's its own world. I imagine it's all consuming when you're in it, but also very crowded. So, Kieran, how do you get your edge as a business in a sector like that?
Yeah, I think in some areas we've had to be innovative and we've had to do things that our competition hasn't tried before and try and do things for the first time. But in other areas, we haven't reinvented the wheel. We've taken good parts that other businesses in our industry have done, or we've taken good ideas from other industries like traditional sports, from the tech industry, and we've just kind of implemented them into our industry.
So Joel, what are the tools and systems that you're relying on every day to keep your business functioning at its best?
So we need state-of-the-art hardware, kind of first and foremost, but that needs to be supported by reliable and fast internet connection. Everything we do is online, and particularly, if you think about our players, having that fast speed that's reliable and never cuts out is absolutely essential to competing.
So obviously it's about your team and the players, but the other side of this is the community as a whole. It's the people watching, Joel.
Yeah, I mean, the core to our business are the people that, watch esports for entertainment. They are our core target audience, if you like, and we as a team also have a community of people that follow our team and support us, much like fans of a football club, and that we basically interact with that community almost exclusively online and through digital platforms.